In this video, I'm going to use detailed animations to show you exactly how four-way switches work and how to wire them. Since four-way switches always work in conjunction with three-way switches, it's important to understand how three-way switches work. So let's take a quick look at the operation of three-way switches. A three-way switch has three key terminals or screws, two traveler screws, a common screw, and a ground screw. Internally, the common screw always connects to one of the travelers, depending on the switch's position. The switch is never off. Here's how two three-way switches are wired. Power enters the common screw of the first switch. It travels across the contact shown in black, then travels along the traveler wires to the second switch, and then it flows from the second switch's common screw to the light. Keep in mind that three-way switches are not always wired exactly like this. There are different configurations depending on the setup in the home. The light can come before the switches, it can be in between the switches, or it can be after the switches. I have a separate video on this channel that covers three-way switches in greater detail. Now let's take a look at a four-way switch. A four-way switch doesn't have a common screw. All four terminals or screws are travelers. Plus, there's a ground screw. Internally, the connections toggle between straight through and crisscross positions, depending on the switch's position. So again, a four-way switch is never off. It is always passing power to one screw or another. Here's how a four-way switch is wired. The traveler wires from the first three-way switch connect to one side of the four-way switch, and another set of traveler wires connects the four-way switch to the second three-way switch. The power enters at the first three-way switch, and the light connects to the second three-way switch's common screw. Note that I've left out the ground wires to keep the diagram a little bit less cluttered so we can focus on the wires that we're actually discussing. All right, let's see how this all works. Here, toggling any switch changes the circuit, turning the light on or off. The four-way switch adds another control point in the circuit, making it more flexible. Let's take a quick look at the internal mechanism of the four-way switch. When the switch is aligned to complete the circuit, electricity flows through the switches to the light. When the circuit is broken, the current stops and the light turns off. The small yellow circles show the path that the electricity takes through the circuit. If the switches are properly aligned, the electricity goes all the way through the circuit and the light comes on. But if not, the electricity is stopped at the third switch. It doesn't matter which side of the four-way switch the travelers are connected to. The circuit will still function the same. I'm showing here that we can swap the red and blue traveler wires and where they're connected, and this is going to function basically identically. So what if you need to control a switch from 4 or more locations? Then you simply add another four-way switch. The four-way switches are always going to be wired in series between the three-way switches. Here I've added another four-way switch, but you can add as many as you need. This diagram is getting a little bit crowded, but I think you get the point. So four-way switches offer a flexible way to control lights from multiple locations. I hope this video has been helpful to you in understanding a little bit more about four-way switches and how they work and how they need to be wired. I really appreciate you watching. And I sure would appreciate a thumbs up. And if you like these type of videos, I make them often, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.